celebrating Portmore's incredible football achievement and sharing a message of hope for the youth. He reflects on how the community went from having no football team to competing for championships, proving that hard work, unity, and believing in yourself can make the impossible possible. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more on Sonic Snap.
Growing up in Portmore, we never have, 50, proud and loud. Growing up in Portmore, we never have a football team. Nobody never used to look at with them call we cross the waters. So for Portmore now develop to a level where we have football, we have youth actually born in a Portmore, reach adult stage, we can come represent for Portmore, and also bringing people from around the nation, because remember football are one of the factors of a Jamaican together. Me seeing Portmore now in the finals with another legend like Cavalier and know say my team are going to win is a joy. I'm just want to make the youth them know say sky's the limit. Always believe in yourself, believe in a God. Nothing is impossible. Remember, one Portmore without sign. What is under me nose? A trophy.